everyone, Hot Rod Power Tour Day 5. We're here in Darlington, South Carolina. Today was one of the longest drives, if not the longest of the trip. It took us about 5 hours. There was a traffic jam which shut down the highway, but we're in another stadium here which is awesome. It's jam-packed full of cars. We're going to take a look at some of the cars in the parking lot and also in where the media and vendors are at. Alright, Day 5 of Hot Rod Power Tour 2018 is coming to an end. It was a hot one, it was a good one. So many cars to still see, so we're going to go get some rest tonight and get ready for Day 6. Going from Darlington, South Carolina up to Raleigh, North Carolina tomorrow.